like a teacher, chat gpt can't explain it. Teacher explain with everything in every detail, with their with their work and with hard work. Teacher teach you, but chat gpt only give a pattern to study that.
Just like you said, he gives you the pattern, but you have to do the hard work. As you talk about teacher also learn lots of things from ChatGPT, which tools he can learn, and through ChatGPT they can provide lots of other information to students, to around their peoples.
But because of a chat gpt, many of the students life get destroyed, because sometime by mistakenly, many of the people ask some silly question. The chat gpt give that answer.
So I don't listen any such things which you mention, but it is about human beings. It is for human beings solving their problems. If they use for bad things, it will harm. But we have to use for good purposes. And ChatGPT also, I would like to tell you that ChatGPT increases productivity in every organization. Just like I was working in delivery, so in day-to-day life I have to make reports, writing mails. So I just have to give some prompts to ChatGPT, and he writes full email. So I have get lots of time to do other work, like we have to manage workforce and others.
But you say you give the email to chat gpt and many of the thing. Because of this, the many cyber crime I have are done.
Before ChatGPT even exist, there are lots of cyber crime also done. So the
But
criminal.
now but now when chat gpt is there, the cyber crime is also increases.
Rahman. So we are presenting here to do a debate on a topic of, we all know about it and it became our everyday need. And that topic is Chat GPT.
Yeah, ChatGPT advantages and disadvantages.
And I'm in a favor of advantages. Knowledge is a power. The power and the power of the knowledge is come from in a single clip, and that clip is Chat GPT.
And I am proudly stand in the favor of disadvantages of ChatGPT. And I believe every shining skin has the dark side, but nobody wants to know the dark side of it. So I am in the disadvantages. To today, I favor disadvantage.
So ChatGPT is like become our angel, and it present 24/7 hours. It became our teacher, our friends, and our guider and motivator.
First, you said that ChatGPT is present 24/7 hours. But if I also observe it that if I use ChatGPT 2 hours, so it will say that you have reached the limit. So what about that? If you use it like a tutor, so you must have to use it 1 hour, 2 hours. So he said you have reached the limits.
But everything has a limit. So if you use continuously 2 hours, then it is a device. It is a tool. It is not a thing that continuously working. So if a human is tired, then it is also.
He didn't have any emotion. Many people think that he's friends because he talk very friendly with us, and he talk very friendly with us. So we make him our friend, and we share everything which is present in ourselves. If we don't get a good best friend, so many people make him a best friend and show the privacy with him, share OTP and all. So it can leads and so many things. The company ChatGPT stores so many all the details. But if you learn from your teacher only teaches you and forgot. But ChatGPT store all the information and remember everything.
So as you said that ChatGPT is don't have an emotion. It is a good thing, I think. That it is not judge you. It is not criticize you. It is just appreciate you, appreciate your progress.
But
And if you talk about the friends and privacy, it is dependent on you how you use it. If you use wisely, then you shouldn't give your personal information. It could be on every app like WhatsApp, Instagram. All app is harmful, and we shouldn't give our personal informations. And teacher is a human being. You said that teacher is don't store the data and all of these things, because they are a human being, and ChatGPT is a tool.
As you said that ChatGPT didn't have any emotions, so he appreciate you in everything. If you are wrong, he also appreciate you. So you get overconfident, like I am right. If you are wrong, but you think that you are right. So that's the problem.
I didn't think so that ChatGPT appreciate you in a wrong thing. I never say that.
ChatGPT appreciate you in wrong
No,
things also, as you say.
it is appreciate you in a good thing.
He never scold you when you do bad things. He never scold you like a mother, like a teacher, like a friend.
But it is also not criticize you, judge you. If you if you ask 2 more question to a teacher, the teacher is irritated or saying that starting judge you, a teacher or a friends. And ChatGPT is, you can ask any questions, any silly and weird question, then he answer you.
We get emotionally connected by ChatGPT. So many people, and they forgot the real friend. They didn't make real friend. They don't talk. They don't talk everything with their parents. So that's the problem. People attached by ChatGPT. They don't know how harmful. They don't know the dark sides of it. There are so many. It also spread wrong information. It also advise you in wrong things.
But the world is full of tools. Like, we think that it's a tool, not a human being. It is dependent on us. How we use this, we should use it wisely.
Competition is a good thing. It forces us to do our best. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all my dear friends and my dear teacher. This is Sheikh Aska in front of you, and today our debate competition, and I am the favor of ChatGPT. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone present here. This is Ansari Zikra, and today I am in the favor of disadvantages of ChatGPT. So from my point of view, there are so many advantages of ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT, first of all, ChatGPT is an AI tool that makes our life more easy in many ways. For example, if a student don't understand any topic like photosynthesis, that time ChatGPT explain it step by step like a teacher. So on my point of view, there are lots of disadvantages of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can't solve complex real world problems. It has lots of from my point of view, it solves every problem in the world. It solves every problem from my point of view. No, but it can't solve real world problem. It can't make relationships with humans. Sometimes it may be give wrong informations. It can give students to do a cheating, and it's not a human being. So why human depends more in ChatGPT? So if you depend on more, if you depends on book, if you read book of 5 hours in a day, so it's a very bad impact. It's create a very bad impact for you. So like a ChatGPT also, it's not a human being. It's not a feeling. That is why it's create wrong answers sometimes. So there is a problem now, but humans can't give these types of problems. Teachers can't do this type of problem. Teachers make a mistake sometimes, I agree, but it doesn't. It will rectify it, but ChatGPT can't rectify it. It gives answer with problems, and sometimes it gives outdated messages and outdated sense of. If you talk about another apps like Instagram, Facebook, and other app like WhatsApp, that time I told you you're right, but you're saying about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is used only for learning, so it is not bad from my point of view.
No, it's also a bad. It creates an environment to don't critical thinking. It's can't provide a creative world to the nation. But as being as human, everyone is a creative. So it's taking our creativity and sometimes it give repeated answer.
No, I am a live example. I am when I ask any question in ChatGPT from ChatGPT, that time ChatGPT give a right answer. So from my point of view, it is not a right.
ChatGPT is also a job seeker. It's taking our emotions. ChatGPT don't have emotions. It doesn't have fear or anger, happiness. It doesn't have any emotions like human beings do. It can't solve human problems like real life problems. It can't solve it. I agree. It solve educational problem, but over reliance on ChatGPT, it's taking our creativity.
No, from my point of view, ChatGPT is job maker because there are so many people leaving their home and work on mobile.
But what about other people who don't know about their skills and don't have ability to work on online or systems? What about those people?
No, ChatGPT only used for learning. It is a learning place, so you can't say ChatGPT is a job take loss, take jobs loss.
But what about other people? There are lots of people in the world who totally depend on ChatGPT. What about those people?
So first of all, dependence is always not bad because many people also depends teachers, books, internet, calculator. So from my point of view, dependence is not always bad. If you uh, I'm giving some example like calculator doesn't kill math. Just like ChatGPT won't kill human creativity, won't kill human thinking ability.
बताता हूँ कि हाउ कैन यू स्टार्ट द डिबेट, हाउ कैन यू मेक इट इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड हाउ कैन यू grab audience attention at the beginning of your debate. Okay, so someone has said that debate is one of the best ways to put your points and give opinions. Hi everyone, this is Omin Saim and I welcome you in my show Baat Ka Batangad, where we are going to have a debate on ChatGPT advantages and disadvantages. We have a special guest with us and her name is Khan Madiha and she is going to speak about the disadvantages of ChatGPT and I am going to defend my points. Let's start. So as we're going to talk about the disadvantages of ChatGPT, so I just want you to start about any disadvantage.
I believe that ChatGPT spreads wrong information. Because of it, you have to face so many problems, and students blindly believe in it because it said very confidently.
See, if you talk about providing information, so a person can be wrong, but technology cannot be wrong for providing information.
But
You
it
can,
provide-
a person can give wrong information about any particular person that this person is not good, that person is not good. But technology is something which always gives right information and right data.
But ChatGPT sometimes commit mistakes, and in language also, and in
Who does not commit mistake? Even human beings also commit mistake a lot of time, right?
but it
So
is
if
technology.
it is technology, but I don't think so it commits mistake in showing data and showing statics and showing years and all, right? So sometimes if it commits mistake, I don't think so there is any disadvantage.
So many people don't feel the joy of reading books because in old times people used to read books. People used to enjoy reading books, thought deep. But in today's life, technology is going very fast. So people are mostly use ChatGPT, and they get ready-made answer and all.
Okay, I agree with you that you are saying that people are not reading book, but you are not seeing the other side of technology. If you talk about the other side of technology, so you have Kindle. So on Kindle, if you buy one book, hard copy, if you order one book online, it will cost you 400, 500 rupees. But if you want to read any book online or on Kindle, you can get it in just 100 rupees or 150 rupees. Means you can save lot of money, and you are not going to bring your book everywhere. You have your mobile phone everywhere. So if you are traveling in a train, if you are going somewhere, if you are sitting alone, you get enough time. Like you can just you can just go on your means book application where you read book, and you can read so many books, right? So it can help you a lot to get information, get knowledge through books. Yes, there was a time that people used to read book, but still today with the help of technology, I think you can read book.
But people started depending on ChatGPT. Everything they ask, if they want to. If
Nowadays,
they have-
sorry to interrupt you, but I would like to tell you that it is good to depend on technology instead of depending on people. If you depend on people, then they will cheat you, they will deceive you, but technology will never deceive you.
So what's the use of the human mind, natural intelligence? What's the use of it? People don't think. People, if they get anything, if they get homework, so they don't think. Students, they just search on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT give it them ready-made.
But I would
things.
like to say that again, you are just seeing the one side, you're not seeing the second side of the technology. I agree that like people are not using their mind, they are means it is killing the creativity. But on the other side, just see that if I want to make one report and I don't have enough time, so I can give my work to ChatGPT that please make a report on the XYZ topic, and it can deliver me in just couple of seconds. The report which is going to take 10 to 15 minutes, it will deliver me in just 3 to 4 seconds, and I can get the polished version of it, right? I can use it everywhere, and it is and the report is without any grammar error. So I think this is one of the best platforms to save your time. Nowadays, the biggest problem with people is shortage of time, right? So technology saves lot of your time, so why not use technology?
But what, you don't learn anything. You just copy like a copycat. You don't learn. Education is about learning, not just about copying.
I agree that you are saying that education is about learning, but just think that with the help of technology also you can learn a lot of things. When you give any particular task to technology, any particular task to ChatGPT, so ChatGPT give you the ready-made answer. But when you read it, when you go through it, then you get the idea that how to frame sentences, how to frame the answer. So you are getting idea, and then after it is helpful for you. Next time you can try yourself. You can try writing yourself after getting this idea from technology.
So,
Bola?
so what's you can also take advice from your teachers, from your parents, and all. They are also here to help you. What about the time that when we don't have technology like ChatGPT and AI all? So what
See,
the
if you are talking about ancient period, if you are talking about old age, so even human did not have good food to eat, human did not have good home to live, they did not have good clothes to wear. So there were so many things which we did not have. But now if you have, then why not to use it? And you are saying that, thank you. And you said at the starting what you said?
teachers and
Teachers.
are
You have
helping.
teachers and parents who you help. Teachers are not available 24 into 7. If I have some doubt, I have to wait for the next day. When I will go to school, when I will go to college, then I will ask to the teacher. If you talk about parents, so there are so many parents, they are not very well educated. So they cannot help you in your maths problem. They cannot help you in your geographical structures and all these things, right? So if you have technology, you can just give the question to your technology, hey ChatGPT, give me the answer of this particular problem. And ChatGPT is something which is going to help you in just couple of seconds, and you're going to get your problem solved in just couple of seconds, then why not?
But sometimes your internet also not working. Sometimes the people who are poor, who are not available, affordable for the mobile. So what's about them?
See, I don't think so. There are people who cannot afford mobile and who are not using mobile phone. I have seen people who do not have good food to eat, but they have 10,000, 15,000 rupees mobile phone.
No, one of my
They are
friend didn't
using
have
technology.
mobile
They
in
can
home.
live without food, but they cannot live without technology, without Wi-Fi, without internet. They
But-
can live without friends. They can live without taking breath. बिना सांस लिए इंसान रह सकता है, लेकिन आज के दौर में इंसान इंटरनेट और वाईफाई के बगैर नहीं रह सकता. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर इज एनी देयर आर एनी सच पीपल हु डू नॉट हैव
But
टेक्नोलॉजी.
if your internet is not working, so
व्हाई इंटरनेट विल नॉट वर्क?
sometimes not working in classes if you need help. My friend, she need help for writing essay and all, and if the
See,
topic is hard,
it
so
happens
internet is not
occasionally.
working.
It happens occasionally, right? For example, if you are sitting somewhere, you do not have good Wi-Fi connection, so it happens very rarely, very rarely. But most of the time, technology is with you. Technology is going to help you. Technology is something which give you the right direction. If you lost somewhere, technology is going to help you. If you want to learn something, if you want to learn how to cook food, technology is going to help you. If you want to get the answer of any particular question, technology is going to help you. If you want to get to know that which restaurant is nearby me, I want to have food because I'm hungry, technology is going to help you. If you want to read book, technology is there. In every part of life, technology is with you. So why we should not use technology?
But technology cannot replace the humans, the tutors, the tuition teachers, and the teachers and all.
Technology
Mother's
cannot
advice
replace women. I do agree with you, but why you want to replace women? There are so many
if
people.
you are totally depending on technology, so what about the tutors? What about the teachers? What about the mother's advice? You are totally depending
See,
on it.
I'm not saying that you just rely completely on technology, but yes, if you need it, you should use it. If you have some doubt, ask question to technology. It is going to clear your doubt. If you have some doubt in sentence that my sentence is right or wrong, ask technology before putting your points in front of people. So I'm not saying that just rely completely on technology. I'm just telling you that use technology if you have it. For example, if someone has given you a magic stick and you can get whatever you want with the help of this magic stick, so what will you do? You will take this magic stick and you will keep it in your shelf, and you will say that okay, if I will need it, I will use it. You will definitely use it. So technology is just like that magic stick. If someone has given you that magic stick through their intelligence, so use this technology, right? And with the help of technology, you can increase your intelligence also if you use it in a right way.
But ChatGPT is too friendly. So many people.
Last point. तो उनका क्लियर कर लेते हैं क्या है.
ChatGPT is
Too friendly.
too friendly. So many people don't make
How
real life friends.
technology can be friendly?
I'm talking about ChatGPT. It is too much friendly. People share so many very closely. People share their every secrets with it, but it didn't have emotion. It didn't understand what is secret and all. So it stores thing and it spread all over the world. It is harmful for us.
So how can means your data cannot be shared with anyone? It is
But
completely
ChatGPT
safe.
stored everything.
Stored everything, but it's not going to share with anyone. See, people have been using technology for a long time, more than 10-15 years. Have you ever heard that somebody's data has been shared by Google, somebody's data has been shared by ChatGPT? No, hackers do this actually. Technology does not do it. Hackers means you can blame hackers, not technology. Okay, at last I would like to say that हाँ बोलो आपका पॉइंट क्या हो जाता है. As you yourself is saying that kabhi kabhi means sometimes. So sometimes human also commits mistake. Sometimes even most of the time humans have errors. But technology also has errors, but rarely, not very often. So technology is one of the best tools which you can use to improve yourself and to get knowledge, and I would suggest you use technology. If you have, then why not to use it, but don't completely depend on the technology, right? If you want to know one small particular thing, just don't go on ChatGPT and ask it. Try to use your own mind. Sometimes it is important to use your own intelligence before using artificial intelligence, don't forget that you have natural intelligence also. Thank you so much.
Thank you.